name is Amirul Hakim bin Haji Isam. Now I want to talk about my business idol I admire is No Niloufar Muhammad No, or popularly known as Niloufar, is Tanzanian actress, television presenter, and a successful Muslim entrepreneur with over 5.8 million followers on Instagram. She is the face of fashion firm Niloufar Hijab, her family-owned company. In just a short period, the company has become one of Malaysia's biggest hot-selling headscarf brands. Beauty with brain. Niloufar, or her full name No Niloufar binti Muhammad No, was born in Pasir Mas, Kelantan to parents Muhammad No and No Kartini. As the third child of 9 siblings, she inherits her mother Beauty, who has Pakistan and Arab blood. She first came to screen when she was awarded Miss Teen Malaysian in 2010 and 2011. She received her Bachelor in International Trade and Marketing Education at Sunway University College. With her background in business study, she then became involved in ventures involving contact lens, nutritious drink, and small gifts before Niloufar Hijab was launched. This is all about hard working and determination. Niloufar started that a big part of her success by entering the diamond market at the right time. It is estimated that Muslim consumers spend billion ringgit on modest clothing, and is expected this market to account for more than 14% of the global fashion market by 2019. Her business started when the market demand is high, and with her hard working, she managed to sustain the business till today. In any success story, there must be the up and down. Given her celebrity status, one cannot escape from controversy and backlash. She learned from the lesson after each controversy or backlash, so she knows not to make the same mistake in the future. In between this commitment, she is the midst of planning to develop her hijab brand locally and internationally. Women should be bold and strong. A woman should not just make money, but also to have good confidence in themselves. Be strong and not necessarily rely on men. Niloufar, who was listed on Forbes under 30 Astra 2017 under retail and e-commerce category, wished to expand her business ventures in the property sector, an industry where women figure is hard to see.